My last name is Momin. People usually call me Momin. I am originally from Bangladesh and I graduated from Bangladesh Agriculture University. And then I went to Japan and I did my PhD from Japan, Kyoto University, Japan. And my PhD study was focused on post-harvest processing of agricultural products using biosensing technology. And then actually back to Japan, I went to University of Illinois. I was there for 2 years. I did 2 years postdoc work, research work with Professor Hansen for development of precision agriculture technologies for sugarcane harvester. And then after finish that, I came to University of California, Davis, and I am working in an interesting area, research area, like desiccant development of the new drying technology using desiccant drying beads. Drying is an important process for agricultural products. If you don't dry properly, or there is lack of sufficient drying system, then what happen actually, a lot of food waste, loss and waste happen. In parallel, actually, for improper drying or insufficient stress technology like pour or dam stress technology actually enhance growth of fungal or mold, and that ultimately actually built up mycotoxins, or that's the alpha toxin, which is linked with the human cancer or child malnutrition. So this is an emerging issue nowadays, like the development of mycotoxins. So to protect the development of mycotoxins in grains or agricultural produces, it should be properly dried. So that's why post-harvest drying is an important process for agricultural industry and for the agricultural farmers as well. So, in case of traditional heated air, we are concerning about the high temperature. We are not concerning about the relative humidity. So that's why when you process the high temperature dry air through the products, it may damage the products, like quality of the products or organoleptic properties of the products. On the other hand, for desiccant systems or desiccant bead systems, we can generate optimum drying conditions like low relative humidity, dry air with low temperature or slightly above ambient conditions. So in that way, we are not passing aggressive dry air to the products. So we can enhance the quality of the products. We can enhance some other organoleptic properties or nutritional value of the products, or as well as we can maintain the color texture of the products. I would like to utilize this system for developed countries as well as in developing countries. In developing countries, we have lack of their drying or storage technologies. And if you see right now, I got an information that mentioned literature information that for around 4 or 5 billion people affected with mycotoxins nowadays, and most of the people actually from developing countries, because they are lack of sufficient drying technologies or stress technologies. So in future, actually, I would like to continue work on this area so that I can contribute in, because I am from Bangladesh, it's a developing country, so I can contribute to improve the drying performance or drying technologies at the end, as well as to improve the agricultural process back to Bangladesh and other developing countries in parallel with developed countries.